Over the past month, the crypto market has been down, and analytics call this bump a correctional measure for the inflated coin prices and high investment inflows in the market. These days, though, there has been a new coin that has popped up called the Reef coin, a new token which significantly caught the eye of millennials, but has been trading in the red for the past couple of days. Is Reef token even a good investment? Well, stick with us to find out more. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this relatively new cryptocurrency, which ended up catching the market's attention with its high price rate. However, it appears to have been consolidating since the last market drop. We're going to be here to access the coin's price prediction, whether this coin would survive with flying colors, or would end up dropping to much more significant levels. But before we do all that, we've got a couple of things that we'd like to keep in mind here. First off, the crypto assets are highly volatile and change frequently. Therefore, the prices mentioned in today's video will change to a different range, probably by the time you get around to watching this video. Secondly, nothing talked about in this video is intended to be taken as financial or investment advice. The content in this video is purely made for the purpose of being informative and educational. You are requested to conduct your own research or maybe consult an expert in this regard to be able to guide you in making better realistic investments. So with all of that out of the way, let's get into it. Every single year, there are tons of new altcoins which are added to an existing lot of cryptocurrencies. However, most of them end up getting lost in the crowd, but some do make an impact on the world market. Maybe because it has some new innovative features. Kind of like how Dogecoin was the first meme coin, or it can give some unique technological benefits, showing high returns in its price trajectory. The Reef coin could be categorized as one of those that have demonstrated an incredible price rise. The Reef was originally founded by Denko Menchinsky in the view to remote technical batteries for the entry of retail investors into the DeFi platform. The Reef is a DeFi platform which is built as a fork on the Polkadot token with the aim to be able to deliver cross-chain trading. The platform can be labeled as a yield engine and a smart liquidity aggregator to complement the founder's view. Talking about the DeFi platform, this platform is the most popular across the current channel. However, building this also has been an issue concerning the lack of interoperability. On a DeFi platform, one can take advantage of creating dApps. Still, it can also become frustrating for the users because they are required to be able to interact with a number of different applications in order to use all of what DeFi has to offer. This is the major problem, whose solution is Reef. Reef is that simple interface which allows users to interact with all their preferred DeFi applications in one single place. On a simpler note, its platform combines all various DeFi applications, easing the user accessibility to the DeFi ecosystem. The real question here is, though, why is the Reef Finance token dipping down so hard? To do this, we can assure you that there isn't any reason to worry because the coin's bump and sideways trading are a direct impact of the ongoing market dip. Therefore, it's not just Reef Finance, but most crypto assets, including Bitcoin, the leader of all cryptocurrencies, are now trading in the red. Now, to understand why we see a drop in Reefs can easily be assessed. The Reef is built on the Polkadot blockchain network, and Polkadot is, in turn, an extension of Ethereum's feature. The second largest crypto asset is also on the downward swing, as a repercussion that Reef is trading within the red. According to us, Reef Finance is a long-term investment, considering the demand for the DeFi ecosystem that will end up going after more and more people so as to get to know about the platform's importance. On a short-term basis, Reef Finance might not give high returns, especially due to the low market and less demand and awareness of the token. So we can be sure that the token would end up trade green in no time after the market returns to normalcy. But let's answer the most requested question first. What is Reef Finance anyway? Earlier in the video, we had spoke about the Reef platform, and corresponding to it, Reef Finance is the platform's native currency on the Reef chain. This token is used for transaction fees or gas and on-chain governance. Reef token is also available as an ERC20 token, which is the standard token for Ethereum and BSC. This thus makes the total convertible 1-to-1 with native Reef tokens. Refinance is a liquidity aggregator and multi-chain smart yield engine, allowing the integration of any DeFi protocol on its platform. It shares its security model across the ecosystem while enabling any cross-chain integrations. The website talks about the token and its chain, a smart contract blockchain that is backward compatible with Ethereum EVM, indicating that Reef is much more superior and far more advanced than Ethereum, making Reef tokens much more likable, and Refinance even started as an idea back in 2014. Jump cut to 2020, the company had incorporated the Reef team, led the growth of the team, and also curated the DeFi classification index around their platform in the first quarter. In the second quarter, the team mostly worked on integrating Ethereum DeFi protocols, the Basket engine prototype, Reef architecture design, and then in the third quarter, the company started fundraising for the platform, initiated marketing activities, developed a legal structure, and added the Reef aggregation layer. Finally, in the last quarter of 2020, the company held its economic audit, security audit, launched its token generation event, and lastly, were seen on the Binance launch pool. Starting in the first quarter of 2021, the company ended up launching Reef Bonds, which is a unique DeFi initiative wherein users can end up staking on a kind of asset for a certain lockup period and farm tokens of a completely different project. The Reef Itinerary Bond was the first bond to be able to make available to the users. In response to its latest launch, more than $4 million worth of assets were locked by users, validating high user demand for the bonds. The coin gained central attention post its bond launch and then was deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. Because BSC is compatible with the Ethereum virtual machine, which simultaneously provides scaling capabilities unmatched by the Ethereum blockchain, this deployment enabled both users and its developers to be able to transfer their ERC20 tokens or deploy any Ethereum-compatible smart contracts to Binance's Smart Chain, eliminating all financial intermediaries and also enjoying a host of additional benefits. It was also around this time that the token hit its all-time high, trading from the low at 7,109 thousandths of a cent and hitting its all-time high at 4,952 hundredths of a cent on the 14th of February 2021. The Reef Bond enabled the users' levels to up their experience on higher transactions feeds with fees as low as a couple of cents. Adding on to the exiting pros, users of Reef Bond can also enjoy maximum profits and a seamless user experience. On an overall basis, the token has successfully deep-rooted its roots with significant strategic partnerships. In February itself, the company had announced its partnership with Tron to be able to build its DeFi ecosystem. This way, users could directly access Tron's DeFi applications and TRC20 tokens through the platform. Several crypto experts have also given their predictions on the price action of Reef coin. Government Capital has actually predicted the coin's price to be a high of 71 hundredths of a cent within 1 year. However, this prediction has certainly come true because Reef has crossed this target level. This website further predicts the price trajectory having the potential to go up to 80 cents by the end of 2022. Digital Coin is also highly bullish on the coin's price action. They predict that the token could go up to 33 hundredths of a cent by the end of 2021 and has a potential high of at least 37 cents by the end of 2022. Currently, the token is trading at 1,447 hundredths of a cent, with a red margin of about 6.24% change in the last 24 hours. The coin has been listed as the 144th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization, with a market capitalization of well over $183 million, according to CoinMarketCaps. On 1 month's chart, the coin has shown a steady downtrend, indicating a positive price action because there isn't any exponential downtrend. According to wallet investors, the Reef token is a profitable long-term investment with at least 5-year investment, and the revenue is expected to be around 107.64%. As for the coin's future trend, a positive trend is expected, making the current positive trend a great buying opportunity for the token. In case of a positive breakout, the coin would end up landing at a residual number of about 35 hundredths of a cent, making which the token would likely go to a consolidation or could flip into another bull run straight towards 52 hundredths of a cent. That is, if the buying pressure on the token does persist. According to this, the token is a decent long-term investment and could definitely see high returns. So, that's it for today's video. If you guys did find this video informal, then please consider hitting that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ding that notification bell so that way you never miss another update from us. Also, let us know down in the comment section down below what you think about the Reef coin and how high it could possibly go. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.